Hi, I'm Sara from Stampin' Up, and today I'm here to help you create your You Are My Anchor card kit. This kit includes lots of mini cards and a box. Here's what our projects will look like when we're finished. I'm going to leave them here on the table so that you have them for reference. Here's everything you'll need to complete your projects. Most everything is in your kit, but you may also need some scissors. And don't forget your printed instructions. By separating and sorting your elements by project, you'll be totally set up for success. If you have any questions about the products I use in this video, feel free to check out our What's What in Your Kit video linked in the description below. Now that we're set up for success, let's get started. For this project, I recommend you do your stamping first. So stamp before you stick, right? Stamping can be intimidating at first, but don't worry, we've got this. We'll need our block, stamp set, and ink spot. Place your desired stamp on your block, open your ink spot, and we're good to go. For a clear image, you'll want to ink your stamp well. All it takes is a few good taps across the entire image. If you want to practice first, go ahead and stamp a time or two on your chipboard. When you're ready to stamp, ink your image, line it up, and press down firmly and evenly, and there you go. You'll need to stamp multiple images, so just grab a wet cloth, paper towel, or baby wipe to clean your stamp and put it back on your stamp sheet. For more tips on stamping, check out our How to Stamp video linked in the description. Now we're going to repeat that same process for all of the images we need to stamp on each particular project. Now that we've stamped everything, we're ready to adhere it all together and embellish our projects. Next, let's start with our twine. Now you can refer to your instructions where measurements are given for each project, and you have a convenient ruler along the side that helps you measure. Use adhesive dots for adding flat images or dimensionals for added height. Your instructions are a great resource for seeing what adhesive is used where. There are lots of pieces, but that's okay. We have our trusty instructions to show us exactly where to put everything for each individual project. As we go through each project, feel free to refer to your instructions or pause or rewind the video as we go along. It's totally okay to craft at your own pace. this box, go ahead and fold along the score lines before you put it together. Then you can take off the adhesive protectant and put your box together one side at a time. For your box sleeve, there are already score lines opposite where it's folded. So you can just find those little seams and fold them so that your box will slide in through the sleeve. Because the box pulls in and out of the sleeve, the twine doesn't need to be removed. So I would go ahead and just tie that with a knot first so that you have it on your box. Then you can thread your anchor on and your little For You tag. And then go ahead and tie your bow. Or a knot if you prefer. Look at these amazing projects. Now, our projects may not look exactly the same, and that's totally okay. Your personal touch and creativity is what makes them special. I'm excited to share this gift with someone I care about, and I hope you'll share yours as well. If you liked crafting with the kit today, we have more kits to choose from at StampinUp.com. Click Shop Product and then Kits Collection to find your next creative experience. Enjoy!